Hi Shilpa.
Hi.
So on behalf of the Sindhya Kanya Vidyalaya Placement and Alumni Cell Pact Link Society, I Urvashi welcome you back to school.
That's so wonderful. Thank you so much. It feels great to be here, Urvashi, and it's wonderful to meet you and our young budding photographer and the team back here. I'm so glad to see young children now today in the school are so entrepreneurial. They are taking into these technical tasks that are amazing to see. I think the school has come a very, very long way. Let me begin by telling you about myself. I am Shilpa Malaya Singhai. I'm a managing director with Alvarez and Marsal, which is a global consulting firm, and I lead the TMT practice for them here in India. I'm very happy to be here after 25 years in the Silver Jubilee celebrations here at school with a batch of 2000 who have come here after 25 long years. What I feel cannot be expressed in words. Emotions and a lot of the formative years that I have spent here, and a lot of who I am and I associate myself with a particular identity have been shaped on these grounds, have been shaped in these heritage buildings that you see behind me. So completely thrilled to be here, Urvashi. Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity to speak. As I come here and take a round of this new SKV, I feel immensely proud. I see that the motto or essentially the spirit of Sindhya being service, heritage and entrepreneurship or enterprise is something that is coming to life now, much more than what I had seen 25 years ago. I'm so happy to hear about Project Sankalp or these other projects where we're making our girls competitive at a global level and at a scale that is unprecedented. I'm also very happy to note that for this series of batch or series of people who are in 11th, 12th grade passing out, the school is taking special care and providing that academic focus that is required to be competitive in today's world. I hear that we've seen so much success in competitive examinations like IPMAT, like NEET. It is phenomenal. Being here itself was a safe, secure and a globally exposure-based experience, but it has also now become an excellent academic experience. I think hats off to all the teachers. My wishes to the principal, to teachers, to you Urvashi especially, for doing so much more beyond just doing the classes and doing the regular, being part of a community, which is in itself a great thing to be part of. Thank you so much.